Hello, 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 everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So I got these plates in the party section at Dollar Tree. Aren't those cute? They're like a mint color or seafoam. And this is the label on the package. And then I got these, they're just called coasters. And I got those at Dollar Tree as well. And then I've got some bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree. And it's a big, you get 100 of them for $1. And then I have my sugar crystal glitter. I call it sugar crystals, that's what it looks like. And then I've got Mod Podge. And you can get small bottles of this at Dollar Tree. I always get a big one though at Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I'm going to take the coaster and I'm just going to paint some Mod Podge on top of it. You could use Elmer's glue too, if you have Elmer's glue. I have some somewhere, but I wasn't going digging for it. So I'm just gonna cover the top of this, just the top side, with the Mod Podge. Easy peasy, right? And then take your glitter, whatever glitter you want to use. It doesn't have to be what I'm using. It can be any glitter. And just sprinkle it on it. And do it on a paper plate, that way you can save the glitter that doesn't go onto the coaster. You can dump it back in your container. That's what I always do anyway. And then just shake it off to get the excess off. And then you have a little glitter coaster. I don't know if y'all can tell. Isn't that cute already? Just like that. Okay, y'all. So the next thing we're going to do is take our little plates that I showed you at the beginning. And then I'm just going to take, I have my glue gun hot this time. And I'm just going to put some glue in the center of the flower. Or well, it's a coaster. But in the center of the coaster. Just like that. So you just stick it on there like that. Look, isn't that cute? The next thing we're going to do is take one of these skewers and just glue it to the back. Put your pointy side down so that way you can stick this in something. But I'm just going to put some glue on here. Just a line of glue, and of course I need another glue stick. See? Happy Monday, girl. How you doing? So I'm just going to lay that down flat to give it time for that to dry. Alright, so there's your little flower. The last thing I'm going to do is just take some raffia that I have over here. And I'm just going to tie a little bow around the stem with the raffia. So that's it, y'all. Look at how cute that is. You could put like a little hang tag on it that said Happy Spring. Or you could put like, for Mother's Day, you know, like you could get with your kids and make them for your mom or something and do a whole bundle of them. And, you know, put like a thing on there that says, if moms were flowers, I'd pick you, or something so cute and sweet like that. But that's it, y'all. I mean, how simple is that?